Hello from Slovenia again. First I want to show you my rose from my first like watercolor experiment, or how can I say it, dried. It's great. It has some little shimmer here and there from my gold, and I just love this one. So I will go again today, and I just think I'll use this too. Whoops, maybe I should just put some dots here that I will know what size is my canvas, and I will spray it with my paper towel and see what we can get. I will do purples today. I have this brilliant violet, and I thought that maybe I will do just one flower, kind of. And I have my pearl violet. I don't have these paints in squeeze bottles, so maybe this will be some problem, but that's how it is. And alizarian crimson, no, alizarian violet. And I will add some of my crimson too. Just, I don't know why, just I think that I should. And my violet. And I will add some Indian yellow, and this is my phthalo green. Sorry, just didn't want to come out of my mouth. And I will add some this phthalo mixed with cerulean blue. And some of this spring green. And I add a base coat of white. I will just pop my bubbles because yesterday I have a lot of bubbles in it. And let's see what we can get. I will not, I'll just slightly go over to have this feeling that I maybe this red was a mistake, but I don't know, I kind of like it. My pearl, it's a little bit, I don't know. Maybe I should turn it this way or this way. I don't know, but I like it. It has some beautiful, beautiful details. Sorry, I will show it to you just a second. Just see that I have some air bubbles left. Maybe just this part here bothers me a little bit, but I think that I can't help it. I don't know which way I like it the most, but I like it because it looks like some kind of bouquet, or I don't know. I definitely like it. This crimson will be a little darker when it will dry. We will see. Maybe I should do without this crimson, but I want to add some fix this here. I just love these little details. I will show it to you on close up. Just a second. I will take down my gloves. and take you for a close-up. You see? This little, I don't know how I call it, but it has just some beautiful details. See, this alizarian violet is really pretty, and it has a lot of this I don't know on what this reminds me, and this part here I just love. Just so many gorgeous details, or just I think so, I don't know. Maybe I will turn it this way, or I don't know. What do you think? This is bad light, but kind of like it this way too. So this was the second attempt on this technique, and I will definitely do this again and see what can I get. So have a nice day and see you on the next one. Bye!